Please come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get inside some entertainment news. We are talking about Dineo Ranaka and one of the reasons why she is trending. Tsonga King wrote, "No one gives better advice than Dineo Ranaka." Then I decided to check if people agree with her or not. And she's a bad influencer says, respect Saul Penduka. And the Tsonga King said, yes, I respect him, but I stand. So I stand with what I said, right? And Nitagwa Kanjani Ningena Land wrote that she never takes herself. And then somebody says, do do as I say and not as I do. So meaning she doesn't take the advice, but she expects everybody else to take her advice. That's Dineo Ranaka. But this other person, Mbalizi, says, I think that she is not okay. She deleted everything on her Instagram and it's now on private. I didn't see that. I didn't see that. And then another guy said, this is exactly why y'all are screwed in the head. Y'all take advice from people like that? People like what, sir? People like what? I uthandazile mthembu wayilevela ne ngahleka and I stopped continuing. Uthi inoba ushaya amadoda wena. Meaning the person that originally posted this about Dineo Ranaka. But do you legit think Dineo Ranaka's advice makes sense? And would you take it?